Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have another Desigual Haul. They had a lot of sales during this winter, moreover because the stores were closed since December, so many people could not enter to their shops and they had substantial sales. And I took the opportunity to buy some jackets. I actually wanted to buy one single jacket, but I ended up with three. If you don't know what is it, Desigual, I will link my previous video that I did, I think, in the fall 2020. This is a fashion store. They have been born in the Spain, but now they are widely available. My friend Elena from Elena Jenkins channel, she told me that they have a US website that I will link down below on the description box, and she bought herself a bag and a wallet from their website. So they are widely available. They have interesting and unique designs, prints. They have beautiful jackets, clothes, bags, you name it, they have it as style. They also have for children, so they are amazing. They are on my style. I understand that this type of pattern might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I love them, and I thought I can share with you on today's video what I've recently bought on my Desigual winter sale. So if you are interested to see what I have to show you, then just keep on watching. I was searching for a jacket or winter jacket to be below a little bit or up to my waist. And why I'm saying that is because when I'm on the car, when I'm driving, I don't need a long jacket. If I have a too long jacket, then I don't have enough flexibility to move my hands, to open window, to take parking tickets and so on. And I've seen this jacket on their website, and it actually looked a bit different on their website. I will pop a picture with the jacket, and also I all the time get their size 38, especially on winter jackets, because they have the lowest 36, which it's a bit fit on me. So on jackets, I all the time size up one number. I'm 36. I think 36 is 2 or 4 in US, but I think they have the corresponding sizes here. So this is the padded Edinburgh, and there is size 38, and the USA it's 4. So 36, I think it's the smallest. I don't know the corresponding size in the US. So this was discounted over 50%. I'm keeping the labels just to be able to tell you guys the name of the actual style. So that's why you see on the try on that I have all the labels, or most of the labels on. And I'm a bit disappointed with this bag, with this jacket, because first of all, it was not exactly the shade that I wanted. Second, I think it's a bit larger for me, even on the sleeves, but it does look baggy. It looks like I have more room to put inside that I actually am. So I don't know. I didn't open it yet. I was thinking to send it back, but it's a bit complicated to send it back to the online shop, and I don't know exactly when their physical stores will open, because we are still in quarantine and all the shops are, or most of the shops are closed. So I don't know, guys, what I'm going to do with this jacket. It's not too thick, not too light. It's perfect for when it's not too cold outside, or for the early spring or late fall. It's perfect. It also has a fleece. The fleece is not removable. And yeah, this is the inside. I was thinking if it would have had a belt or something to pull and adjust it on my waist, I might could wear it. So I don't know. I'm still thinking if I will return it or not. But for the moment, it will stay with label on, because I'm not yet decided. It doesn't look terrible on me, but doesn't look like the next jacket that I'm going to show you. This is the Abrig Karen Also, it's on the size 38. So all the jackets are on the size 38, I'm telling you from now. And on the label, it's written that it was discounted 50%, but I paid less because they have a better deal online. So they are having over sale, something like this. It's more for the spring, so you cannot wear this on winter. And it's a color that it matches everything. It has those beautiful floral pattern. It has 4 pockets, 2 down and 2 up on the chest. It has a convertible fleece that is secured on this area. So I'm going to show you how to remove it and put it back. But the most interesting things are the sleeves that are removable, because those sleeves, those are from the normal material and they are lighter shades, so they are prone to get dirty. So there is no point to wash the entire jacket when you can wash just the sleeves. So this is a fantastic idea. And second thing is that you can wear this jacket as a vest if you don't like to wear the sleeves, or the weather is warming up but you still need something to protect your back, then for sure you can wear it as a jacket. And also you have covered the head in case that it's raining, how it's usually happen here on Czech Republic. So I'm loving this jacket so much. It's hands down my favorite. The third jacket, I was not planning to buy it, but I have seen such a good deal on this jacket, and I think I was hunting this jacket last year, but it was not on sale. So I think those are from their, this is from their 2020 collection or so. It's a beautiful dark green that it's matching perfectly with the golden button and zippers that it has. So it has 2 pockets that are secured with zipper. It has a removable fleece that you can detach it when you don't like it, or for example sometimes I don't like that my hair doesn't stay nicely when I have a fleece on the back, so you can remove that if you don't like. And it has inside, beside the golden padding, it has those strings that I was searching with my husband the other day to understand what for are good these. And we think, or I believe, those are to either to secure your jacket, even though I don't see the purpose, or if it is warming up outside, you can just put it on your shoulder and be more easy for you to carry it as you walk. The fleece, it's also adjustable, so usually I have problem with fleece that they don't fit me perfectly, but this somehow, if I adjust it, I think it will stay much better on me. So yeah, I haven't worn it yet, of course. I wasn't planning to buy another longer jacket. I have already one from Desigual. I will show you in the end of this try-on haul. And when I see that this is discounted and also doesn't have so much pattern on it, so it's more serious, I can say. It only has here the sign, the Desigual, and that's all. But it's really, it's up to the last detail. So this is, I love on Desigual. They have a nice pattern and a nice touch to the detail. So they are fantastic on that. And just as a comparison, this is my actual winter jacket that I have from them. I bought it last year. I will try to see what is the name. I think I bought it on sales, but it wasn't discounted so much. And it has a nice pattern on the side, the front side, and on the back it's just simple, doesn't have anything. and 2 zipper pockets and a removable fleece. And yeah, this is my haul. No, wait, I have something else to show you. The last thing that I bought is this. You will not guess what is this. This is a actual mask that is coming with a pouch. And the mask has 2 sides. So it has the floral side and it also has the one color side. And I love the fact that it has here some reinforcement, so it will stay perfect on you. You can adjust it. Usually the normal masks do that. Due to the fact that my face is a bit shorter, my masks are all the time coming and pushing this area. And of course, guys, the handiest thing it is that you have this little pouch where you can put the mask. And if you want to wear it as a purse, you are welcome to do that, but your mask, it won't touch other things from your bag. So yeah, I thought it's a cute idea. Okay guys, so this is everything I wanted to share with you. I didn't want to make this haul too long. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll come back for more videos like this. And I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Have a beautiful, blessed day ahead. And if you're wondering about this makeup that I'm wearing today, I have a get ready with me that I filmed today and that video will come up soon, so I cannot tell you what I'm wearing today and especially what I'm wearing on my eyes. But stay tuned for that video because it will come up anytime soon. Mwah! Okay.